active, it's sharp. So when you pray the word of God out into your atmosphere, you're activating that dynamis, that power of God, because the word of God says he watches over his word to perform it. And heaven and earth shall pass away, but not one of my words shall pass away. So automatically, God starts to act upon what you have spoken, his holy word, because he's not a liar. And so your prayers began to manifest or begin to manifest as you pray for your future spouse.
Hold on there. So, in other words, it's a prayer book for men.
Yes.
Especially for those who are seeking, who are future spouses.
So
Who
the
are married.
right.
And you're guiding them in terms of what to pray for and how to pray.
Based on the holy word.
Based on the word of God.
Yes.
Hello, man. Hello,
Yes.
somebody on the text line, please do already start texting me about the link to this book and the information to this book. His prayer book. So if you are a future spouse, there are some specific attributes of a man that you can pray concerning. This is what I want you to do, Lord. This is how I want to be developed. These are some of the things I want you to shape me into, is what you really.
Exactly.
I love that. And it's the same thing for her prayer book.
Right. So the gentleman who wishes to marry, he will pray specific attributes that he wants to see in his wife, right? And remember, we are all a work in progress. So these attributes can be prayed for even after marriage, because some qualities you won't see in your spouse until after you get married. And then for her now, she prays for specific attributes that she wants in her future husband, because a men's